Hey, what's up, class? It's Martin Tellez. I was just playing another Moon song. So this is the mission activity for the Moon. So I'll go ahead and start off right here. This is a regolith Berseah lunar sample, and it breaks, creating Hackley surfaces. Here's some information, petrography. I'm not quite sure what that means. We'll go on to the next one. This was from the Apollo landing site where they collected a bunch of samples. It is from the number 2, right, which is right here from where they landed. They collected a bunch of items, and this was one of them. Chunk of the lunar regolith, and he placed it in the thigh pocket of his spacesuit. So that was one of the astronauts, Neil Armstrong, actually. So I was having a little problem with Google Moon, so I didn't get a very good picture of what the actual site, but it's right here, and here's like the Apollo 11 mission, and it was right off from when they first landed here. Here's the chemistry of it. They found that the composition was similar to that of other regolith Berseahs. Here's the processing, and here is the chemical composition of it. And what we learned from this was this rock actually has glass in it. So I found that pretty interesting, that there's glass up there on the moon and in certain different rocks. Anyways, this is it for my mission activity. See you on the next one.